Hi. So we are, what is this called? When it's not before or after, it's during. We are,
oh, that's a good question.
mid or amid.
No.
Mid COVID-19. We are this close to losing our sanity. She almost fell asleep just because I was wiping makeup off her eyeballs, and I changed my shirt 3 times.
Just to put the original shirt back.
Just to put this one back on. And what else? We are doing curly hair today. This is how I normally look every day. So I'm going to show you guys a quick touch up for my curly hair. But we're using all the same products. And so far, we've been using them for how long?
This is like a month.
Okay. So we've been using them for a month. And what are your thoughts so far on it?
I like this one. This one is my favorite. I like it. It's nice because it lasts like a few days. Like, that's my big thing.
Mm-hmm.
I want it to last. I don't want to have to wash my hair or condition it and brush it every single day because it's a long process. So I really appreciate how long it'll last. Like, it could last me up to a week.
You mean like you wash it and then
once and then put it in and it lasts all week.
So you don't even have to do like day 2, 3, touch it up with more product or water or anything?
Honestly, not, maybe a little bit of water. I'll spritz it maybe a few times, but I never reapply and it still looks pretty formed.
Okay, so this is one of the things that I'm super impressed about. This is her hair air dried with just the
shampoo and conditioner.
Curly hair bath.
I haven't even put the curly potion in yet.
This is the curly hair bath. It comes in a
shampoo.
It's called curly hair bath.
I know what I'm saying, but like they don't.
It's a shampoo.
Yeah.
And it comes in this glass container, which preserves the products because it is made out of organic products. That's why the company is called Oway, simply organic.
Yes.
This is the hair mask. I bought a big one assuming that we were going to use the crap out of it because you have so much hair.
But a little goes a long way.
Oh my gosh, we've had this for a month and we've barely, like, normally regular hair masks we use up in probably like 2 months. So this would have been half gone, and this is about not even a third. This is probably about a quarter of the way through, which is unbelievable because we've both been using it. But like you were saying, like it lasts a whole week.
Yeah,
like,
and a big thing with these products too is that a little goes a very long way.
Yes, that is exactly like. Okay, so this is the hair mask. It's called Curly Hair Mask, which is phenomenal and it smells lovely. And then this is the curly potion. So you guys, I don't know if you can tell, but it's right here. It's right at the label. We've had this for a month. We've both used it, and I cannot believe how much.
And I have to. I use
for.
Like a good amount, because I have to section my hair out and do each section, and it's still lasting. Like.
And we're gonna show you guys exactly how we do her hair. And then we'll touch up my curls because this is day 2 and 3, and I always get asked how to touch up curls and your blah, blah, whatever. It looks like shit. Let's fix it. For you, apparently you don't even have to, which is amazing.
I feel like it could last like a full school week.
That's amazing.
Like during this, like the 5 days.
Just wash on the weekends?
Yeah, just wash on the weekends is what I've been doing.
Okay, not for me. I go a little bit more than that, only because my curls are not as formed as hers. I have wavy curly hair, and this is, to be honest, it's been in a bun for 2 days.
It's also hard to find a curly product that works for 2 different types. Like works
oh my gosh.
For 2
because before, when we use other products that we won't name,
flip-flop. Like I do good and then she do bad, or it'd be like the other way around.
And then I have to use my own formula of combos that you couldn't use on yours because it would make your hair all gross
and it's extra expensive to do that too.
Yeah, we stocked up on so much product. This is the first time that I've ever only purchased, hold that, 3 freaking products. And it's because the curly hair bath and the curly hair mask support curly hair. And I don't know how, but when I get out, my hair is already curly looking.
It's organic.
It's organic. I mean, we're like bougie, but whatever. But this stuff, whatever the heck is in this, I can't read it because it's in Italian. But it's paraben-free, Patrol Lady. Should I even try this? Patrol Lady. Go ahead.
Petroleum-free, PEG, PPG, and BG-free, EDTA-free,
EDTA.
synthetic. Yeah.
Okay, so it's got synthetic, fragrance-free, artificial colorants-free, and then it's got a whole bunch of organically grown ingredients in it, and essential oils, and fair trade ingredients, and naturally derived ingredients. This is so dope. It's only 8 fluid ounces, and what we've gone through, maybe 2 ounces we've gone through already. It's amazing in a month. So, anyways, okay. I'm gonna show you guys what to do with my curly, wavy, frizzy, shitty looking hair. Day 2, day 3, and then we're just gonna do a full tutorial. Maybe you do one side and I do another. I'm really picky how I do curly hair, and she's a little like, she has her own style and her own thing. So I kind of, what do you prefer? You want me to do it or no? No, okay. So how about we just do it at the same time?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, let's do that. So all we're gonna use today, all I'm gonna use today is this water bottle and curly potion, and then you are gonna be using.
I'm gonna use those, but then I also have to brush it out at the end after I put in the product.
So she needs a towel.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna need a towel because I think for me, all I need to do is just re-wet it. And
Me too.
do you want me to do it really fast, me first, or do you want to do it first?
You can do that.
Okay. So I'm not gonna use like. Am I getting you? I don't think I need a lot. I don't think it needs to be like completely saturated like for hers.
No, it
So
doesn't.
for
which is
hers,
also weird.
no, it's because our hair has different porosities. Like my hair, it will hold on to water, and I think yours is so porous it doesn't hold it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like it just wants to bead off of it. Like, woo, I'm getting wet. All right, cool. I think this should be good. So I'm gonna get the middle here, which is where I always tend to forget. And then the ends. Oh, you can already see. Look at, oh my God, you can already see the curl coming back.
Right.
And this is because I use the curly hair bath and the curly hair mask as well.
Mine is almost dried with like no after product in it, and it's like it looks formed, and I didn't even put anything in it yet.
It's
like,
incredible.
This is just shampoo and conditioner.
The shampoo and
That's it.
conditioner.
Nothing extra.
Voila.
Nothing behind the scenes.
So that must have been like what, 20 squirts?
Yeah. You also have thin hair.
Yeah, I do. I have my hair is thinned out a lot. Yeah, you
Fully
just
spraying you. I'm fully spraying you.
What the hell? Wait, I need this spot. Spray this spot right here. Okay, that's good. I knew I was gonna miss that area. I always miss that area. So for me, as you guys can see, like mine kind of forms on the outside and the edges, right? But like right here in the crown, not so much. So sorry. Oh my gosh, we might even use this whole bottle because I didn't really fill it up. We just got this bottle at like Sally Beauty Supply.
A long
No
time
big
ago.
deal.
Like years ago.
Yeah,
This is a long
and it's been in our family for a generation / 2 years. Okay, so I'm gonna use the curly potion. I get a lot of shedding, so let's get rid of that. So for me, to be honest, I could really use maybe a pump and a half for my entire head. So because we're touching up only today, I think I'm just gonna use like a pump. So I'm gonna show you how much that is, which is actually kind of a lot. So this is a big like scoopy handfully amount. I'm gonna rub it in between my fingers, in between my palms. She's still wetting the shit out of her hair. And I'm gonna split it in 2 because I like to kind of have my hands working at the same time. And I go back and forth to make sure that I can get an even amount of product on both sides.
Yeah.
How's yours feeling?
I'm slathered up in water. Yeah.
So you can see, guys, how I keep like kind of moving my head around so that it gets like volume and it gets a little bit of movement like around, so there's no weird part or anything like that. That's how at least I do it. I'm just kind of playing around with the curl and switching it around and doing some scrunchy stuff, doing it upside down. Because the cool thing about this product is it doesn't feel like, it's not heavy in any kind of way, right?
No.
It's so lightweight, but you can feel it on the hair. It's not even like this weird coating. You know how sometimes you put oil in your hair and you can feel it? It's not even that. It's so lightweight, but you can feel it's kind of slick. It's kind of slippery.
For me, I have to just section it out, like kind of sections like about this big. I'm not too particular about the size. And I don't really put a lot in, like you can't really see it, but like just like a little.
If you focus and get a little bit closer. See? Sorry.
It's also clear.
Pulled her off.
It's also clear, so it's okay. But like just not a lot, and then I just make sure I get under, over. Also, a difference between me and her is she diffuses her hair.
I have to.
I do not. I am not a diffuser.
As you guys watch her do that, I'm gonna go look for my other diffuser.
Even after, like this section was really frizzy before, and even just after putting in that little bit, you can see that it's like shiny and nice. And take another section, throw the rest of the hair back. Size, probably. And then take some of this. I don't know if I can. This might slip out of my hand, but. Just a little bit in the middle there.
Okay guys, I have totally misplaced my diffuser. So I'm just gonna have to do this on the lowest setting, and on, you have cool, warm, and hot. I'm gonna do warm and low setting. I'm gonna take this sucker off. You don't need a nozzle. And just use my hands as a diffuser. So I guess I'll show you guys this. So if anyone doesn't have a diffuser at home, this is gonna be a great lesson for you. So what I'm doing is I'm doing small circular motions so that the heat is distributed and not just blowing on one part of the hair. And when I hold it, I'm holding the curls in place so that I'm not making the hair fly everywhere. And this is on such a low set heating. This is really just getting the end of the moisture out, because you guys know I didn't saturate my hair. So it's pretty wet, but it's mostly the product that you see in it, which is amazing. And you saw I only needed one pump for this whole head, which is a wonderful. How's yours going?
Pretty good. I typically use a pump a section just because of how
one pump per section. See, look how much freaking hair this child has. But still, even though she uses that much, like it lasts.
It's not like a huge dent in the bottle, which is really nice. Like I just put a little bit at the end.
any which way I like, because I do have a long bang, so sometimes I like to have the hair and the curls in my face, or I will just like flip it to one side and just have like all the body and the volume going one way, or go the other way. This is amazing to me because normally when you use other curl products, it's so heavy already that you can't do a touch-up like this, where the hair is fluffy, shiny, it's soft, it's like movable, and it's just probably the most impressive product I think I've ever used.
Yeah.
Ever, considering it's one product.
And it's so hit or miss with curl products.
It is, it really is. And so this is me with my curly wavy hair, because my curly wavy hair, I know some of my curly girls get a little offended when I call my hair curly, but this is definitely curly, and it works in both of our hair. Like, it's unfreaking believable.
Yeah, for me, it's not, honestly, it's like a shorter process than you. Mine takes less time.
Mine is work.
For me, like, it's just really nice, especially when yeah, it makes it really soft. Especially when I take the brush through it, like, it typically it'll go just straight through and form the curl beautifully.
Yeah, I can't believe, I've never seen your hair brush that easy with a curl product.
Without being, like, in the shower. Like, without having it soaking wet.
Yeah.
And especially since we're shooting this video, my hair had time to dry.
Yes.
Even though we re-wet it, like it wasn't sopping wet like it usually is.
Normally we would have to put product in her hair sopping wet, and now we do not. And me either, which is fantastic, because you know, before we used to have a window like this, and you'd have to get the product on, or else it looked like
and that's, I mean, I was worried about that this time around. So this is cool to like prove
this
that.
product line is beautiful.
Yeah.
And we're super excited that we found it, and I hope you guys find this useful. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comments. If you guys have seen any other video, you know that I respond immediately. If you have any questions for her, I'll post also her social media information. So I'm super excited. Are you excited?
Yes, I really am. I mean, we've had it for a month, but I'm still excited.
She's a little less excited than me. So, anyways, I don't know what else to say. This is our first video of doing our curl products together, but individually.
Yeah,
so
because I can do it now.
Yeah, she's grown. She's grown. So I don't have to do it for her anymore. Thank goodness. Teach your kids how to do it. Self-sufficient.
Self-sufficient since 5.
I've been forcing her to do this forever.
Yeah.
On her own.
Painfully.
But then it got to the point where I was like, can I do your hair? And she was like, no. You lost that right. 10 years ago.
10 years ago.
Oh, duh. I forgot to tell you guys. So I am now an affiliate of Simply Organic, and it's called holistichairtribe.com if you want to go buy their products. I do have a discount code for you guys. Every time you use the code, you get $5 off your order. And you're also supporting a small business and an amazing company. Look, y'all. You see this? I'm not lying. This is amazing. So go show us some support, some love. Pick up some products. Know that you are supporting me and my daughter. Ha ha ha. And yeah, thank you.
Have fun.
I appreciate it. Yeah, have fun with your freaking beautiful, gorgeous curls and waves and ringlets. God, it's so pretty.
I know.
Your hair is so perfect. Okay, bye.